Are you looking for the best sewing machines for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best sewing machines for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mini Portable Electric Sewing Machine. Lightweight, only 5.39 pounds. Small in size, 10.8 by 4.8 by 10.2 inches, and easy to store. The portable sewing machine is equipped with LED lamp, the foot pedal, metal threader and thread cutter, locking metal presser foot. Even beginners can easily use it. Meet the needs of household sewing according to the instructions. Designed with a non-slip bottom pad and made of environmentally friendly materials, including UL certified cables and 3C certified power supplies. Standards for export to Europe and America. Features practical, DIY creation can be done at any time. Quilts, prom dresses, pet clothing, dolls, crafts, curtains, home decoration, etc. Dual-threaded, 2-speed, double power supply design makes it easier for you to choose the mode that suits you most. With 12 built-in stitches, you only need to turn the gears to switch the stitches you need to your own fabric. You can use this machine to sew zippers and buttons. You can easily reverse stitching with one button. Choose different metal presser foot for replacement according to your needs. Mini sewing machine is very suitable for children, women, beginners and sewing lovers. Elegant and cute appearance makes it a best choice for you as a great gift to daughters, sisters, girlfriends, friends, mothers and grandmothers on birthday, New Year, Valentine's Day, International Children's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Number 2. Industrial Sewing Machine. This machine adopts a connecting rod type feeding mechanism, stable operation, small back stitch error, uniform stitch and beautiful appearance. It is suitable for sewing all kinds of thin and medium thick material clothing, fabrics, etc. in clothing, knitting and other industries. The automatic lubrication device and the silicone oil lubrication thread device are used, so the sewing performance is extremely stable. At the same time, the use of a double-threaded large rotary hook greatly improves the sewing efficiency. It is suitable for sewing jeans, tents, leather products, etc. It is a heavy-duty flat sewing machine with stable performance. Number 3. HTVRONT Electric Sewing Machine. Our sewing machine provides 38 commonly sewing line types, equipped with foot switches, to easily control the sewing speed of high and low to meet different scenarios and needs. The line type and speed of the sewing machines can be easily adjusted through button. The dual-thread sewing machine is easy to operate and has complete functions, suitable for most household sewing needs. It has detailed guidance instructions and meets the comprehensive needs of initial sewing enthusiasts. A testing cloth is included under the sewing needle. Before formal use, you can test first. If you have any questions about operation, please feel free to contact us at any time. The HTVRONT sewing machine with suitable needles can smoothly eat 7-layer thick fabrics without needle broken and stuck. The reverse sewing making the stitches more stable and less prone to thread opening. The newly upgraded mini sewing machine has a variety of intimate and practical functions: tangential cutter, LED lighting, storage drawer, winding function, upper thread elastic adjustment, reverse stitch function, double switch control. You can easily replace the metal presser foot or sew a button and a buttonhole. Number 4. XM2701 Sewing Machine. The XM2701 includes 27 built-in stitches including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches and an auto-size buttonhole. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The XM2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, 3-piece needle set, twin needle, 4 bobbins, instructional divide, manual and more. This free-arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, and users from beginners to advanced. The XM2701 sewing machine comes with brother at your side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat or phone for the life of your machine. Number 5. Singer M1662 sewing machine. At only £5.5, the super cute Singer M1000 mending machine is a lightweight, portable sidekick for the sewist on the go. With 32 stitch applications, mending and garment repairs of lightweight fabrics are easier than ever. The Singer M1000 includes essential stitch applications from zigzags to a blind hem, providing you the right stitch for your mending projects. Turn the stitch selector dial to the stitch you want and you're ready to start sewing. Get started sewing faster with easy-to-follow threading guides. Helps keep fingers from getting too close to the needle for an added measure of safety, if desired. Easy to thread and easy to see. The transparent bobbin and cover allow you to monitor your thread supply so you don't run out of thread in the middle of a seam. Thanks to preset stitch length and width, even beginners will find this machine easy to use.